telling you guys, don't ever give Filipinos a microphone because there's this strange things happening in the Philippines. You know, the babies, when they're born, they're not actually crying, they're singing. So,
Yes.
yeah, normal babies, when they're born, they're like, nga, nga, nga. Filipinos, nga.
In fact, when I came out my mama womb,
What?
yeah, I took off the umbilical cord and I started using it as a microphone. I started singing and I was like, bebo, bebo, be, bebo, bebo, be, bebo, be, Filipino, Filipino, sing it, Filipino, 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 Filipino. Hoy pare, pakinggan niyo ako. Ito na tunay na Pilipino. Dahil sa baryo sa Pambato, pupunta ng Eli sa trabaho para makatulong sa nanay dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Pero masarap pa rin ang ulay pag kumain ng kakamay. Ang kanin, chicken adobo.
Ahmad is all the way from Al-Ain. Now I think we have 3 people from Al-Ain also. Nobody's left in Al-Ain now. Everybody's here. I just want to ask you. Even the first time I met you, I was like, this is not Filipino at all. I thought he was Japanese, you know, a poor one. But
She's lying the first time she said, I thought you're Nepali.
I thought, okay, but whatever, I thought you're Nepali or Japanese, and then he started cleaning. I said, okay, you're Filipino.
You know, I know my name's Ahmed, but I know I don't look like an Ahmed. I look more like a Buddhist monk who works as a bartender in Bangkok. And I'm from Al-Ain, you know? I'm from Al-Ain, but I'm born and raised amongst Arabs. Do you know what that means, guys? Yes. How did you know?
That's our madam, you forgot.
That's our madam. Hi, madam. Hi, madam. Oh my God. Please, can you pay us? You missed our wages.
Madam,
It's been 3 months. You did not give us our salary.
madam, you already spent on your food, yeah.
You guys know why Filipino women marry Egyptian men? Because us Filipino men, we are very lazy. The only thing we do is just play basketball all day and we let our women go outside of our country and just work for us. That's exactly.
Not true.
Not true?
Well, we marry Egyptians because Filipino men marry Filipino men. Tell them, Ahmad.